last week in Spoondrifters, we got a new drill, filled 1,000,000 holes in the side of the boat, locked Todd in the stern lazarette. I played a little game of Operation, finding the flashlight.
We're a family of 6 who sold our house, bought a boat, and now we're getting ready to sail around the world. Welcome to our channel. Another week! What do you think, Liberty?
It's hot out here.
We need to talk about our plan this week. What are we going to accomplish?
Well, we want to get the tank cleaned out, the diesel tank.
The rear cockpit lockers, we need to get the drains put in them because they're draining right into our bilge when it rains. We got to cut up the salon floor for the batteries.
So I think that's about all we can handle this.
And realign the prop shaft, maybe.
Basically, we're showing you the projects as we go. Just boom, 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 boom projects. What you don't see is how we figure out, okay, we're going to do these things, and then sometimes those things don't go as planned. So that's our goals for this week.
Yep, that's our goals for this week.
Todd's getting ready to leave in a month. He's headed to Hawaii to go on a sailboat to Alaska as crew, and we're trying to get everything that we can get done that he needs to be here to do
before I leave.
Before he leaves. Obviously there will be more things, but we need to get stuff done that then leaves things that I can do with the kids.
Right.
Okay, let's get to work.
Let's do it.
We got an awesome surprise from a subscriber who sent us some things off our Amazon wish list.
I got mine open. How? This looks like a fishing net. Oh, okay. Daddy.
It's like a big smile.
It's like a little tiny hammock.
How can you
They're
do
like
it?
dolls.
What is it, Lorraine?
It's a gear hammock.
Gear hammock.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Gary.
Gary. Thank you.
I'll get
She's looking for it.
Stuff. I think I found lots of stuff. Got to be more specific, right?
Right.
There's stuff everywhere in this boat. It's time to be cleaned. So we're going to clean our diesel tank today. It's a 31-gallon tank built in 2008 according to what's left of the label. I'm going to put some cleaner in it. I'll show that to you in a sec, but in order to do that I got to be able to plug up the holes, and I essentially have 3 holes. This one, this one, this one, and this one. This one has a shut-off valve, so I don't need to worry about it. But these 2 little ones and this guy, I got to plug up. Went to Ace, where our friendly hardware man was elusive, so I figured it out myself. And they didn't make a cap for it. All they have is this flexible rubber union. So instead, I grabbed a piece of PVC, and I'm going to put that on. So I got to cap these up. This one I don't want to cap up permanently because I got to add the cleaner to it. I just want to make sure it's going to fit and work. That's going to work. This side is a little different because they don't make caps that small. And I tried to do this the cheapest way because I already owned this hose here.
To make dinner, go grocery shopping, shower.
We're recording, Dad. Shh. I missed it.
It's on there.
Are we like flies on poop?
No.
Yeah.
Are you saying I'm poop? Did Mom just call me poop?
More herself poop.
We come to the back of the boat, and slowly but surely everyone else comes to the back of the boat.
I guess if there's nothing else you can be in life, be a pile of poop. It attracts flies.
See, look, there's another one.
Alright, go.
So then I bought a dowel that fits the pipe, same basic diameter. So then I'm just going to plug the hose up. That. Throw another hose clamp on. Okay, Liberty?
Yeah?
I want you to fill up the water pot as full as it'll go without spilling over.
Okay.
And start getting it hot. Because
Okay.
I'm going to need 2 or 3 of those.
Okay.
Okay? Now we got to get this beast outside and downstairs. Pour 15 cleaner degreaser industrial strength. I'm going to do a 1-to-1 ratio. Hot water, dump it in here together, and then kind of slosh it around. Let that sit for several hours, and we'll keep rotating it for a day or two. Get the gunk out of it, rinse it out, and see what it looks like on the inside.
Okay, we're gonna start cutting things up. What are you doing?
Cutting things up?
The floor.
Oh, I'm organizing.
That's not on our list of things to do.
Well, I can't find anything.
We can't let the kids do it. They do really good.
They have a tendency to put things in the wrong box, or put it somewhere where it takes me half a day to find it. And then I've lost the whole day because I can't find the part or the tool or whatever. So I figure some things I just need to do myself.
So this is what we did for the rest of the day. So what are you doing?
Trying to corrosion protect the tools a little bit or break them free. Look how much junk is coming out of that from rust. Just from spraying a little bit of lube into that, you know.
Alright, Liberty, what are we about to do?
Go to that boat and help Dad with all the picking up around it. And it's pouring rain outside.
So we gotta go outside.
Uh-huh.
What?
Winds in excess of 40 miles per hour.
40-mile-per-hour winds.
It's pouring.
I had come down with the flu, and man, I felt awful. So the kids were going to help Dad.
Go, 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 go! Oh my gosh! Go, 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 go!
The rest of this video is shot by the kids and Todd, so it's really interesting to see what happens when Mom's not here.
Bye.
Oh my gosh!
How long am I supposed to do this for?
Oh my gosh!
That was cool. I actually got that on camera.
Where are you going?
Hey, what are you doing in here?
It's filming. It's filming.
It's filming?
Ah!
So I'm going through the nuts and bolts bins since it's raining outside. I've got down to there. I've separated it out into those bags
Can you
of different things. Trying to get rid of stuff that is garbage that we don't need and keep stuff that is valuable.
What's part?
Talking about
vampires.
Talking about, would you rather be a werewolf or a vampire?
really?
Yeah.
And what would you rather be?
A werewolf.
Why?
She doesn't
Because
want to drink people's blood.
You don't want to drink people's blood? You'd rather eat people?
yeah.
Okay. Run into any more, you put them in there. So now start putting washers like this into this cup. Okay?
These, I have no idea what they're called. Dad just said it, but now I don't have any idea. Oh, are these bolts? I don't know. And 2 extra washers.
Good job.
Hey guys, Dad does not know I have the camera. I'm gonna tell him. Not yet. I can't tell what he's doing.
I need a 9/32 drill bit. Do you have one?
No.
Okay, you gotta hold the camera still. Mom can't use the footage at all. I don't have a 9/32. I'm gonna have to buy one. Who wants to go on a road trip?
Me need to go home. I need to go. Can we go to McDonald's to get a soda? It's only $1.
Go, 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 go. Ants go marching 4x4, hurrah.
Bathroom
Ants go
changer.
marching 4x4, hurrah.
Bathroom. I need
The little one stops.
bathroom. Bathroom. What?
Go. Out.
Password.
Out.
Password. Ow.
Password is get out or I give you the garbage.
The next day was beautiful, but I was still sick. Everyone there with that noise is in the background, always present. They power wash the boats as they come out of the water.
I don't want to go in. Morty, I'm cleaning.
So now you guys are fighting over who
Abigail's
gets to
done.
clean.
You go.
I'm going in.
Going in?
I'm going in. I go in with Abigail.
Oh my gosh. 2 people?
Give me, Lo. Morty, I don't want to freeze in this stuff, Morty. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Slippery. It's weird in here. I don't like it.
Hand me the hose.
Abigail needs the hose. Don't get me wet! No! No! She got my hair wet!
Hand me brush.
This stuff?
No! Brush.
Brush.
I gave it to you.
Hand me my water.
Can I try?
No.
Can I wash for a minute?
No.
I want to come in.
In a minute.
Remember Todd said all that water goes into the bilge? Yeah, we gotta pump it out too.
Ella! I'm spraying in here for no reason.
You cleaning?
Yes, I'm finishing off what Abigail did not do. This hose is strong!
So I'm going to take and dump our fuel tank out and see what kind of junk and crap is in there. That was pretty gross stuff. I don't know if you can see or not. Darn big cameras, darn big lights.
You might be thinking what I was thinking when I came across this video. What the heck?
Cause it's a chandelier. It could light everything on fire.
What were you doing, Brittany? Is that your new song? What's it called?
It's called Kitty Don't Swing from the Chandelier.
What are you doing, by the way?
Putting the drain hoses in the drains. And I don't know why I don't have a smaller person in here. I need a smaller person in here.
Smaller person? Yeah, I can go get a smaller person, but I don't think they can do the job.
How about you?
Me.
I get you in here, Katie.
But I'm taller than you.
No, you're not.
So I don't think that would work. There we go. How hot do you think it is out here?
10
10 what?
degrees.
I
10
wish it
degrees?
was 10 degrees. It might be cold, but it'd be better than this.
Hey, Katie.
Right?
Hey, Abigail. This is my cubby right here. This guy right here. That's the propane locker. So it's all plumbed out there. That's what I did. And then this comes up here, over here by me, high, and they all come together and go overboard right there. So that was my project for today. Texas 100-degree heat. The question we have, there's got to be an easier way to deal with this space other than just shoving all this crap in on top of itself. If you have any ideas for how to use this rear space on a boat like ours, be sure to jump over to Facebook to our page. We'd appreciate it. Accountability time. How did we do this week on our goals? Well, Tammy has been in bed since Tuesday afternoon basically. and therefore I've been kind of a lone man in the wilderness. So I didn't get a lot of things done in the boat that I thought we were going to get done. What I did get done though was the plumbing in the back stern. The other thing I got done was I got a little bit of cleanup and organizing done in our tools and stuff, although now it doesn't look like it again in the back here, because the minute you start working on projects again, it becomes a mess again. The tank is in the process of being cleaned. I've flushed it out one time and I put a little bit more cleaner in there, and I'm letting it soak for a little longer to see if we can get some more of the crime out. Other than that, nothing else got done this week in the boat.
Thanks for watching, and we know you can't wait to see what's going to happen next week, so don't forget to like and subscribe. The boatyard is starting to fill up with shrimping boats. We start tearing apart the salon, we check out the inside of our tank, and take some time at the beach.